That morning daily omelet you eat may increase your risk of endometrial cancer by 20% and pancreatic cancer by 30%. Research shows a shocking link between dietary cholesterol and various types of cancer. But it's not just eggs. Any food high in cholesterol, like meat and dairy, could be problematic. Studies have found connections between cholesterol intake and cancer of colon, breast, throat, and more. The good news, a diet low in cholesterol may help prevent several cancers. For those transitioning, try reducing your intake of high cholesterol foods gradually. Replace the morning egg with a tofu scramble or avocado toast. Ready to commit fully? Embrace a whole food, plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Your body makes all the cholesterol it needs. Why risk it with your diet? Reimagine your plate, reimagine your health. Subscribe for more.